This is the Fioboc Crew Neck sweater. Hello, my name is Eric. As a construction worker, I have to wear long sleeve shirts. Being breathable and comfortable to wear, absolutely important. This is super smooth, stretchy, not a requirement, but just a bonus of comfort. In terms of clothes, I need something tough as nails, something that lasts through the day, that doesn't smell. Good for cold? Yes, this is going to keep you warm. As a construction worker, you often have to think positive. You don't see friends sometimes for weeks at a time and travel location to location and spend 75% of your time in a different place that is not your home. My name is Eric and I'm a construction worker, and this is my journey with Fioboc.